Did you know that building your tiny house on the wrong trailer can lead to leaks, water damage, and even structural failure? I'm talking about the kind of disasters you don't want to deal with when your house is rolling down the highway. Your trailer isn't just the base of your home, it's the backbone. And if that backbone isn't strong enough, your dream tiny house could turn into a nightmare. Hi, I'm Damon from TrailerMade Custom Trailers, and for over a decade, we've been setting the industry standard for tiny house trailers. We're the only company offering a lifetime warranty on our trailers, and every single one is engineered, stamped, and approved by the IRC, ANSI, and NOAA. That means your trailer isn't just solid, it's the gold standard for safety and performance. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to choose the perfect trailer for your tiny house, step by step. We'll talk about weight capacity, materials, trailer designs, and what mistakes to avoid. And by the end, you'll know exactly why TrailerMade is the foundation you can trust for your home on wheels. Let's start with why your trailer matters so much. Think of it like this. Your trailer is the spine of your house. It holds everything together. The walls, the roof, the appliances, all of it. If the trailer isn't built right, it's not just your house that's at risk. It's your safety, your investment, and honestly, your peace of mind. At TrailerMade, we've seen what happens when people use trailers that aren't built for tiny houses. Poor welding, undersized axles, cheap materials. It's a disaster waiting to happen. That's why every trailer we build is engineered specifically for tiny houses, using tube steel for strength and durability. And because we've been instrumental in writing many of the tiny house laws and codes in this country, our trailers already meet the highest standards in the industry. So yeah, your trailer does matter. And if you want something that's going to last, it's worth doing right the first time. All right, let's talk about weight capacity. Because not all tiny houses weigh the same. Your trailer has to support the structure of your home and everything inside it. Appliances, furniture, water tanks, you name it. Most tiny homes fall between 10 and 20,000 pounds, and that's why we build our trailers with tandem or even triple axles to handle those loads safely. Weight distribution is just as important as total weight. Your heavy stuff like water tanks or kitchen appliances, if they're too far from the axles, it's going to throw everything off. And here we work with you to make sure your trailer is designed to handle your specific load, so towing is safe and smooth. Now, materials are a big deal when it comes to your trailer, and at TrailerMade, we use HSS tubular steel, which is 100% USA recycled steel. This stuff is lightweight, incredibly strong, and resistant to all the elements. It's basically the superhero of trailer materials. On top of that, we coat every trailer with anti-corrosion protection to keep rust and wear at bay. Whether your tiny house is parked in a rainy forest or traveling through the salt flats, your trailer is built to last. And let me tell you, this is where cutting corners can really cost you. Cheap materials might save you a little up front, but they'll cost you big time in repairs and replacements down the road. The design of your trailer plays a huge role in how your tiny house functions. So let's break down your options and find the best one that fits your needs. Flatbeds are versatile and commonly used for tiny houses. You'll need to frame your walls over the fenders, but also that gives you more ceiling height in the loft space. Just remember, sealing out the fender boxes and creating a tight thermal envelope takes a few extra steps. Even with that, flatbeds are a reliable and simple choice for most builds. But if you're looking for extra space, goosenecks are the way to go. The raised neck is perfect for lofted bedrooms or offices, adding square footage without increasing the footprint. Plus, the hitch system gives you better towing stability, which is a huge win if you're traveling often with your tiny. Now, drop axles. They lower the deck closer to the ground, giving you more interior height without increasing your house's overall height. But let me give it to you straight. Drop axles are a bit of a gamble. The lower ground clearance can be tricky, and the spindles are prone to failure at higher rates than straight axles are. So if you're set on drop axles, just know the risks up front. And last, deck over trailers. Deck overs maximize your build's width by placing the deck out over the wheel wells, so you don't have to frame around fender boxes, which does simplify things, but you will lose some loft height. These are great for wider builds or open floor plans that prioritize width over headroom, like a single story. At TrailerMade, we'll help you match your floor plan and priorities to the right trailer design, and we'll customize it to make sure it's perfect for your build. Now, not all trailers are created equal, and there are some red flags you need to watch out for. Poor quality welding, thin wall materials, secondhand trailers that weren't designed for tinies, all of these are major risks. And at TrailerMade, we've seen the headaches these mistakes can cause, and that's exactly why we build the trailers we do, with strength, durability, and your safety in mind. Your trailer is the foundation of your tiny house, and getting it right is the key to building a home that's safe, durable, and beautiful. At TaylorMade Custom Trailers, we've spent over a decade perfecting our designs and setting the standard for the quality in this country. We're the only company offering a lifetime warranty on tiny house trailers, and every single one is engineered, stamped, and approved by the IRC, NOAA, and ANSI. If you're ready to start your tiny house journey, please reach out to us. Please like and subscribe the content you see, and drop a comment below. Until then, thanks for watching.